Very good. Morning, Vihan. Vihan, can you please form word bag for me? Very good. Rohan. Rohan, can you please make word can for me? Come, chalo. Bhavisha, can you please form dip word for me? Nitika, can you please form word egg for me? Come on, do it. Vinodini, can you please form pat word for me? Come on, do it. Morning, Shanvika. Shanvika, can you please form word gap for me? Come on, do it. Rishika, can you please form word hut for me? Come on. Maithalasya, can you please form ink word for me?